Hi gamers! Welcome back to my channel where I never post, and it's probably because I don't want to, because it gives me stress. But like, I really wanted to like do a room tour and just show off my room because I think this is like my favorite room that I've had because I've moved a lot in my life. And I think that this room has reached the peak of what I've always wanted. So like, let's just get into it, I guess. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't clean my room for this. I don't have time to do that and film the video and then edit.
It's me, Jesse and Ari. If they test me, they sorry.
So we're just gonna like go through it. This is my room, how it always looks. So why would I clean it? Just to make it look like I'm always cleaning it? I don't know. First off, this is my door. And these are all my jackets. I've got my fake Letterman that I made when I was homeschooled. I didn't have a school. I have my dad's jacket and a million sweaters. And hashtag thrifted. I have my favorite jacket, which I painted myself. It's really cute. Then coming into my room, we have my my bookshelf with all that good stuff, like books. This is where I keep a lot of my comics and my Vogue magazine. Yes. We really stand a queen who reads. Coming around the side of my room, I have one of my favorite walls, which just, you know, really has all of the things that really inspire me as an artist. UWU. I especially like this one because it's honestly a large mood, and all of these ones. And I have my record, which is currently playing some jams. Oh, it's hello. Anyway, okay, so we have this wall. This is where I'll have all my hats and out my window. Some personal art, unfinished Snapple bottle. Because Snapple, first of all, please give me a brand deal. Because, you know, I drink so much Snapple, and these are all my sons. I'm a mother of 8. Surprise, surprise. You know. And you come around. I know, I really love pink. It's a theme. This is my main son. He's a good boy. This is my bed. My laptop. This is like my school couch. Yes. Okay, so we're getting around to like my favorite wall. This has all the pictures of my friends. So this is like my friend wall. And I put all the pictures on there. Just art and things like that. And this desk really needs to be cleaned. My lamp, another window, my Kylo Ren guy. Here's more pictures and pictures. Honestly. And this is the wall with all my art. It's still growing. A lot of this stuff is from last year. But, or even 2 years ago. This one is recent, and so is this one. I've been doing a lot of watercolors, which like brings us into our next topic. My watercolor mess. This is where I keep all my stuff. All my arts. This is my mirror. I put this, I put this thing over it because I don't like mirrors. That's my fit. Kind of gross. This is the place that needs the most cleaning, honestly. My clothes dresser. And yeah, that's about it. So that's it. thank you for letting me ramble and show you guys my room. I doubt this will get anywhere because it was really boring. I don't do this often, but I want to do something because I'm really bored. So like, let me know what you guys think, and peace out, gamers.